Are you ready to do the workout? Yeah! Roll over on your right side, up on your elbow, point both toes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now flex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And point again. 1, 2.
Ooh. Yes, we're here. Hi, welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for waiting, if you're still here, I guess. But let's get to the point. I am making a replica of a Belle Epoque gym suit. To be specific, it's this one from the Met collection. And it's a 1893 to 1896 gym suit for a special occasion because we have our very first ball in France after a year and a half of, not dancing. Very fitting. The theme is the Olympics. I needed a sports outfit for that. I mean, I have my bicycle suit, but that thing is hot. So this gym suit from the Met Museum is actually made out of wool, which I'm not going to do because I can deal with wool when there's petticoats or like cotton in between layers in between me and my skin. I can deal with that. But making a gym suit out of wool, which I'm going to be sweating in because I'm going to dance in it, that's not going to compete with me sensory wise. So I am making mine out of viscose. Viscose is not historically accurate, but it is a natural fiber because it's made out of wood. And it has a moist wicking thing that it does. So it's actually really good when you're in a hot climate or working out. It's the perfect material for that. Anyway, let's do this thing. I need more chocolate. After cutting out and preparing all the pattern pieces, either by basting them together with glazed cotton or serging the edges, it was time to start assembling the top. First, I stitched the pleated back panel to the yoke. Instead of pad stitching the lapels with linen, I used glazed cotton, as I thought linen would be too heavy combined with the viscose fabric. The collar, on the other hand, I did use linen for the bottom layer and again a glazed cotton for the top layer, as the collar lays flat on the shoulders. Snipping V-shapes out of your positive curve seams helps reduce bulk and makes for a nice curved line when turned inside out. A needle or a pin can sometimes help you turn sharp corners inside out. Before attaching the collar to the top, I stitched triple braiding on, using the width of the braid as a space guide between rows. After basting the collar to the top, I could attach the red interfacing. Once these two were turned inside out and neatly pressed, I could mark the braiding on the lapels. Now that the top is done, I could start on the sleeves. These are pretty simple, with some pleats at the shoulders. The cuff is made out of a red cotton and stiff iron-on interfacing, and then covered with the red viscose fabric. I used a pressing hem to help accommodate room for the curve of the cuff. Before joining the seam, I marked the placement and sewn on the braiding. Doing this before closing the seam makes sure the braiding is nicely tucked away inside the seam. Once the cuffs were done, we could move to the bloomers. If you've seen previous videos on this channel, you probably know that I like pockets. If you'd like to know how I insert pockets, I'll link the step-by-step video in the description down below. Once the pockets are in, I could sew the side seam shut. I'm reinforcing the fly with a layer of glazed cotton. Once the fly on both sides were prepped, I could attach the two legs together by stitching the crotch seam. An easy way to do this is to turn one leg inside out and put the other leg, which is right side out, inside the other leg, so right sides on both legs are facing each other. Once those were attached, I pleated the waist down to my waist measurement. And for this too, I'll post a step-by-step video in the description down below. Once those pleats were basted down, I could join the top and bloomers together via a single layered waistband. Final step besides sewing on the closures is the cuff of the bloomers, which is basically a rectangle slightly larger than my calf. Gather the bloomer's hem to the size of the cuff and serge off the edges. Thread a piece of elastic through that is a comfortable width for your calf and hand sew the opening shut. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of the making of the sash, but it was basically a long tube with some pillow stuffing on both ends to create the pom-poms. To create the illusion of a shirt, I made a bib to go underneath the gym suit. I used red cotton as the structural underlayer with the red viscose on top. Turned right side out after stitching the neckline in the center back, I basted the two layers together. And last but not least, I sewed on the braiding.